All right, welcome back, Southern California POS Systems, showing you how to use future POS. Today we're going to go through some miscellaneous features like how to change a course on an item, how to find an item that you're looking for, you just can't seem to find. In future POS, I went ahead and logged in. We are going to first let's talk about how to find an item. There's find item button. Click on the button, and I can find items here in this long list of stuff, or I can just start typing what it is that I'm looking for, and boom, there it is. And I hit OK, and it's up. Okay, and this will actually start the sale as well if I don't have a ticket open, and I can modify this how I want, and boom, there it is. It's on the order. So find an item and sell the item straight from there. Now I can show an item's course as well, and this is done so that we can it shouldn't be appetizers, but so that we can change the course. So sometimes somebody might want an appetizer as an entree, so I'm going to put the appetizer, I'm going to change the course, and I want it as their main course, entree, whatever you call it. Okay, boom, that's coming through as a main item now in the kitchen, if that's how you are printing tickets to the kitchen. And finally, I want to show you another round feature. This is a really cool feature if you have a bunch of stuff on the ticket. So let's say, for example, I got some whatever it is that I got on here. Just punching a bunch of tickets here. Okay, so we got all these items. I want to get this show course. I want to turn that off. Okay, I'm not changing the course anymore. Um, I'm going to hit another round. It's not going to do anything because I haven't chosen what I want another round of. So if I want a round of everything, I can click on everything like this, or I can simply choose the seat, hit another round. Oh, excuse me. I'm going to click everything like this. My apologies. My mistake. And another round. Boom. Everything's up one more time. All right. And then if you are a bartender and you get somebody coming in from out of town, we have a bunch of different drinks in here that you could find. And I don't know what a City of New Orleans drink is, but here's a recipe for it. And I can print this recipe off and hand it to my bartender and say, hey, this guy wants this drink. You can create your own recipes as well. That's part of the system as well. We can do that in there. All right, so we pretty much went through this column right here. And the no sale really just opens the cash register. So if we hit no sale, it's going to show up on a report. Cash register was opened by you. You're going to put a reason so that the manager will know that you aren't just getting in there, take some cash, and run with it. All right, so that is how you use that column on future POS, changing courses, making items, and the faster just to cancel the sale. By the way, here we go for test. All right, keep following along. We'll do some more training and learn how to use future POS. Thank you for following. Have a great day.